Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be finding out what is in my Ipsy bag and my BoxyCharm box for the month of April. Yay! So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Okay, before we get started on seeing what is in my BoxyCharm box and my Ipsy bag for the month of April, first you can see that I am in a different setting. We actually moved around the furniture this weekend, and I am actually sitting in this little alcove that is underneath my stairs. So the bad part about it is if anybody comes downstairs, we're going to hear it. The good part is I'm the only one home, so we're not going to have to worry about it. Also, before we get started, I do want to announce this week's Tune In Tuesday Channel of the Week to Miss Betty Jean Meyer. Yay! She is so quirky and fun, and she makes these great, in your face, bold looks, and she is just amazing. I absolutely love her. So I am going to put her link in the description bar and in my comment. So go and show her some love, subscribe, and let her know that I sent you. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into these packages. First, let's go ahead and do my Ipsy bag. Because there's a little bit more excitement with the BoxyCharm box this month. So I'm going to do that second. So let's go ahead and see what's in this Ipsy bag. Nothing outside the package. The bag is cute. Not really my type, but it's actually looking like the bags are starting to become a little bit bigger each month. I don't know if I'm the only one who has noticed that, but it is. But it's pretty cute with the butterflies and the little, rose gold detail. And then it has Ipsy on the tag. Probably pass it off to somebody, but yeah, it's cute. So let's see what's inside. Let's get this card out first. This month's theme is social butterfly. It says, fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. Instead, we challenge you to be your best self, have your best spring, and RSVP, yes, to everything that comes your way. A new friend request? Yep, unless they're like the creepy pervy guys out there. Sunday making party with your niece? Random date night on a Tuesday? Heck yeah, and 90s trivia and wine tasting, you're in. Not going to read the rest. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, we don't accept friend requests from pervy dudes. No. But yeah, this is the theme for this month, and let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, it looks like we got two things that are the same here. They are from Wonder Beauty, and they are Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Okay, we got two pairs here. Individually packed gold foiled eye mask to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate skin. All right. Oh, there it is right there. They are cruelty free. They're mineral oil free and paraben free, phthalate free, and synthetic fragrance free. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to try these out, see how they work. You guys know I am all about my S&P Bird's Nest eye mask that I leave in my fridge. So we'll see. Okay, next, got something in the bag. that's new. This is from Bubble Tea Bath and Body. It is lemongrass and green tea stimulating hand cream. Fresh lemongrass and green tea infused with lively lemon zest and citrus elements to stimulate and invigorate. Infused with tea essential oils. Goji berry and super berry. Not sure if this brand is cruelty free More than likely they are because they're based out of London. So I am going to have to research this because even though they're based out of London, this product was made in China. So yeah, it says don't drink me on the bottle. You know what that means, right? Somebody actually did. But I am going to have to check to see if this brand is cruelty free. I do want to smell it though. That smells really good. I really hope this brand's cruelty free because I really want to try this out. So I will have to check on that. All right, next we have a brush. Looks like from Ruby. Just looks like a crease brush. Got to see if this brand is cruelty free and if they use a synthetic or an animal hair brush, because you guys know I only use synthetic brushes. So we'll have to check this out before I take it out of the package. Oh, we got something else in the bag. Let's see here. This is from Paula Dorf, and it is a bronzer in Bora Bora. Pretty cool. It looks like the bronzer has a shimmer to it because I can see the little specks through the packaging. I am once again gonna have to check to see if this brand is cruelty free. I didn't check this month because I had so much going on, and I didn't get a full list of what the items were going to be. I only just got the list of what was going to be in my bag, and I didn't want to spoil that. So I am going to have to check to see if these brands are cruelty free. So I will put it in the description bar as to which ones are, which ones aren't, and yeah, keep y'all updated. But yeah, I will check to see if this brand's cruelty free or not. Last but not least, we have a brand I know is cruelty free, and it is from Ciate London. It is their Starstruck Stamp and Eyeliner Duo. These are kind of like the Lottie London ones that I have. Let's see what kind of shape we got. Alright, I'm going to take this paper off. I'll be right back. Okay. Ooh, that's a nice point. That is a real nice point. Gotta write my name. Ooh. This is nice. Y'all know I always test my liners out by... It's nice and matte, too. Okay, so if you need a matte liner, this is a good one. The stamp is a star. Oh, that's so cute. All right, so now I have a star, I have a heart, and a music note. So cool. I like this. This is nice. Overall, the bag was okay. I do have to check to see if the other 3 brands are cruelty free. I have 2 brands that aren't, and 3 that I have to, 2 brands that are, and 3 that I have to check on. So overall, it was okay. It's not. It's not the worst that I've had, but it's not the best that I have. It's just kind of in the middle. It's just kind of like, okay. So now, let's move on to this BoxyCharm box. The reason why, I'm going to talk while I'm throwing trash away. The reason why I say that this is an exciting box this month is because there are 2 items that you got to either one or the other. It was either one, you're going to get the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. I can't talk today. Or you were going to get a MAC lipstick, which we're hoping for Tarte because y'all know I don't use MAC. And the second item is a ColourPop palette. They had the choice of 5, and 2 of those options I already have, which are the My Little Pony and the Golden State of Mind palette. So we're hoping that we don't get those. So, alright, let's see what's in this box. I'm excited. I already took the I already busted the tape. I didn't look in it. I just took tape off. Okay. We got some coupons here. This month's theme is eye candy. All right. I'm not going to look all inside because it's got like the items that are listed and the prices. That's cute. I like that. That's really cute. I don't know who these people are, so. But got some coupons for some of the items. Okay. First thing we got are toothbrushes. They are from SL Miss Glam. Oh, that's cool. I love SL Miss Glam brushes. I actually looked on her website to see, you know, what I can order from there. These brushes are expensive. I was like, what? Yeah. Okay. This one, the purple one right here, is the L34 Blend Beauty Brush. So it's the blending brush. It's fluffier near the top and dense at the bottom, which is normal for a blending brush. It's got two little jewels on here. That's pretty cool. You can always use another blending brush. Always. And the second one we have is a P15 eyeshadow brush. It's a little dense. Not too dense. Cute. It's pink. It's got the two pink gems on it. Pretty cool. Happy with that. Let's see what we got next. The Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks. Instant tinted brow gel with microfibers. Light Hair 03. I do not know if this brand is cruelty free or not. Doesn't say on the package, so I'm gonna have to check to make sure. So I'm not gonna open this until I know for sure. What else we got? Sorry if I'm shaking. Ugh! We got the MAC lipstick. It is in the color Dionysus. I don't know. I am curious as to see what this color looks like though, but I will not use it because MAC is not cruelty free. Regardless what they tell you on their website, even though the website may say they're cruelty free, they're not. Any brand that sells into the mainland of China is not cruelty free because there is a law in China where if anyone sells their products there, they have to be tested on animals. So MAC is not cruelty free regardless what they say on their website. That's a nice brown color. I don't know anyone who would use it, but I will find someone to pass this on to. So, yeah. All right. Now, the final product. Wait, I got something else in here. Oh, we got another Dr. Brandt item. And for those who are wondering, yes, Dr. Brandt is cruelty free. It does state on their website that they are. They don't sell into China, so Dr. Brandt is cruelty free. All right. This is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. Hopefully this will work a lot better than the primer did, because as we all know, the primer did not work very well for my skin. Ooh, this looks nice. It's clear. Ooh, it's got a nice scent to it, and it's got exfoliators in it. Ooh. The exfoliator turns it into like this bluish color. It's this right here. This right here. That's pretty cool. All right, now to find out what palette we got. Oh! I got the ColourPop Element of Surprise palette. That's pretty cool because it really was a surprise. All right, let's see what this bad boy looks like because I don't remember what this one looks like. I do like the packaging though with all the purples and the pinks and, you know, the tad of green. Ooh, this is pretty. It's nice. The colors are pretty. Nothing really blowing me away, but I'm going to give it a whirl. What is this color? This color is like, ooh, this is pretty. This reminds me of that shade in the Tasha Denona palette that didn't want to work. Works well in the ColourPop palette. But this is, I'm going to give it a whirl. I'm not going to pass it off just yet. I am going to give this one a whirl. This pink is like calling me to swatch it. What? What? Look at that pink. Oh, I am going to have to give this one a whirl. I really am. I am so dumb. I almost didn't tell you the prices. So if this video was cut, that's why. Let's go ahead and talk about the prices on this BoxyCharm box. I'm so sorry. Okay. For the MAC lipstick that I'm not going to use, it is $21. The ColourPop palette is $16. The Dr. Brandt mask is $47. What you get in this bag? For 1 ounce of product? What? And it says to use it 2 to 3 times a week? And you only get one. What? The Brow Gal gel, which I'm going to have to check to see if it's cruelty free, is $22. And the Brush Duo, which I kind of, yeah, they are $38.50, which I know that is very steep for 2 brushes, but if you actually go to her website, you will see why these are $38.50. So I will put the total down in the description bar. I will also put 2 links in the description bar if you want to join Ipsy or BoxyCharm. I don't earn any money off those links. They are just there if you want to sign up. And if you're looking to get into BoxyCharm, I would do it now because there's no wait list. So that is all that I have for you guys today. As always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see on with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Friday with a very fun video. Bye! Gotta get used to this new setup. Oh, jeez. I was going into my outro and forgot to tell you guys the process. Who does that? This is what the mask looks like after 5 minutes. It's pretty cool.